Hello everyone! Today we're gonna explore an essential part of Cebuano grammar, the negators. What is a negator? A negator plays a crucial role in expressing negation or denial in Cebuano sentences. These are the words used to indicate the absence or denial of an action, state, or condition. Let's uncover when and how to use them effectively. DILI. If you want to negate an adjective, then this negator DILI should be used. For example, dili na maayo. Maayo is our adjective here, which means good. Our na here is not the same as na, which means already. This one is the short form of kana, which means that. And dili here is negating our adjective maayo. So this whole phrase means that is not good, or that wasn't good. Another example, dili siya buutan. He is not nice. Dili is also being used should you want to negate a future action. For example, dili ko mokaon. Our verb here with the root word kaon, which means eat, uses the prefix mo, which suggests a future action, is being negated by the negator word dili. So, dili ko mokaon means I will not eat. Got the gist? Okay, let's have another example before we proceed to our next negator. Dili siya gusto maligo. Gusto expresses the subject's desire or intention, which in English translates to want or like. The verb maligo with the prefix ma, suggesting a future action of our verb here, ligo, which is the root word for taking a bath or taking a shower. Being negated by dili, it now means he doesn't want to take a bath or he doesn't want to take a shower. If dili negates future action, which negator should we use if you want to negate a past or ongoing action? That's right, the word wala. The negator wala denies the existence of past or ongoing actions. For example, wala siya niuli kagahapon. Kagahapon, or sometimes shortened to kahapon, means yesterday. Siya could be he or she, and our verb here is the word niuli, with the prefix ni, which suggests a past action. So this word means going home, and this is being negated by a word wala. Wala siya niuli kagahapon. He or she did not come home yesterday. Another example, wala siya nagakaon karon. He is not eating right now. The word wala is also often used to express the absence or lack of something, like there is not in English. We will tackle more about existential clauses in another video, but in the meantime, let's proceed to our last word for today, AYAW. This one is pretty straightforward and easy to use. AYAW basically translates to don't or do not in English, is used to form a negative command, request, or wish. For example, ayaw ibaligya ang balay. Ibaligya ang balay means sell the house. Negating this imperative sentence with the word ayaw would result to don't sell the house. Ayaw ibaligya ang balay. Another example, ayaw kalimti ang imong pitaka. Ayaw kalimti ang imong pitaka. Don't forget your wallet. Now, are you ready to do a short quiz? Let's test if you fully understood the Cebuano negators that we've discussed today. Andam na ba ka? I won't take no for an answer. So, let's start. Siya moadto dito. You will not go there. Dili siya moadto dito. Me nangatik. We are not lying. Wala mi nangatik. ko ni trabaho kagahapon. I didn't work yesterday. Wala ko ni trabaho kagahapon. Nami mo usab. Don't. We will not do it again. Ayaw, dili nami mo usab. Pagkanta. Don't sing. Ayaw pagkanta. And that's it for today. I hope you're able to understand now how to use these Cebuano negator words effectively. I'll expect to see you in the continuation of this lesson. In the meantime, amping. Have a nice day.